Hi guys, it's another Furby video from me, and this is based on a comment that user Astral Cat left me on one of my videos, and they said that you can determine a Kinect's manufacturing date by the number on the battery cover, which is the black numbers on its battery cover. So at the top there is a letter and a 4-number code. The first number is a year and the last 3 indicate the day. So I had a look at my Furby Kinects. And what you see here is the order in which I purchased them. So I got this one first, obviously, and he was, I bought him when they first came out. So his, right, you can see here, if we'll focus on it, should do, there we go. So you see it says 6084. Now the 6 is 2016. And then the 84th day of 2016. And these came out in 2016, these Furbies. So this is the next one I got. And this one is the 87th day of 2016. This one here is the 153rd day of 2017. I got the coral one a bit later. But then this was the last one I got, and the number on this one is, whenever it decides to focus, the 86th day of 2016. So I think they were all manufactured around the same time, and I don't think that the manufacturing went beyond 2017. I think they were only manufactured for a year, maybe up to 2 years, and that's it. Once they determined that they weren't as popular as they hoped they would be. So with that being said, let's see, 84, 87, we know that that's the last one. 84, 87 and 86. 84, 86 and 87. There they are in the order of manufacturing. So these ones were all kind of manufactured around the same time, which also again suggests that when they first release something, they make a lot of them because they want to know that they have enough stock, which is why the majority of them were probably manufactured around that time, and then others were manufactured at a later date, depending on stock levels and popularity of the Furbies. So there you go, it's the manufacturing date of Furby Kinects. This is just an idea, and it's obviously yet to be proved. But I think it's a pretty legitimate idea, and it's quite a neat way of telling when they were manufactured, if that is indeed what the numbers are for, which we think that it is. So have a look at yours and see when yours are manufactured, and you can let me know in the comments when yours were made as well, if they were made around the same time as mine, maybe even from the same batches, maybe they're siblings. We shall see. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you want to see more Furby videos, you can click either of the boxes that come up below. As always, check out my Etsy and New Monday stores. Links are in the description. I make plushies and art and take commissions. Or you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi if you enjoy what I do. All the tips help. And that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Still signing off.